This is going to be around for years, Mustafa. You are making your legacy right now.
Today we're building a permaculture garden for Gunston, which is basically a self-sustainable garden that uses non-invasive species to sustain it.
People don't really think about a wooded area as an area to be concerned with, but the more you let these invasive species go, they start to kill out some of the natural habitat, which also affects insects, birds, wildlife, et cetera, et cetera. So it's a small part that can have a larger impact on the system, the ecosystem of what's around us.
Kind of the vision is to take a site that's not used, that was actually ugly, that's overrun by non-natives, and turn it into a place that is beautiful for humans and useful.
I think it's wonderful because we're not also like helping the community, but we're helping nature, and I think that's really cool.
And this is just the very beginning of prepping the hillside to utilize the natural landscape to control water flow, to create pathways, and sort of lay out the footprint of what we're doing.
We're learning that when there's too many invasive plants and weeds in the earth, that the other plants can't grow because all the nutrients is being sucked up by the invasive plants, so that the native plants will die.
What's been surprising is that the sticks, weeds, and ivy were really hard to pull out. I like that we get to take a break from classwork and we get to come outside and help the earth. Being out here, it's really nice. It's like a break.
You guys as the robotics crew, how might you convey this information to passersby? Is it motion sensor? Do you push a button and it'll MP3 plays, stuff like that? How can this incorporate into a robotics program? We spend a lot of times in my fabrication lab and in the computer lab, and a lot of stuff is virtual. It's on a screen or it's in small scale. This is really giving them an appreciation for what it takes to pull a project off like this. It's not a YouTube video, 10-minute edited down, zip, 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 high speed. This is real life. It's taken us all day to clear and dig one swale. So it really gives them appreciation for what it takes to pull off a large project. The goal for this is a teaching tool for years to come. What I hope that each one of my classes get out of this is a respect for the land, a respect for the food, where that kind of comes from, and how to give back to the community that they're involved in.
We're gonna be the next people taking care of the environment, so we want to know how to do it well.
It feels really nice, and we're very proud because we had gone to a lot of work to do this, and it makes the earth better.